Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys saw by the title, that today we are installing this 14-inch bob wave from Shein. Yes, I got this one from Shein, 9 a.m. her, and it's a good quality, trust me. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notification bell so you get notified next time I post a new video. And now we are so big. I know that I've been quiet for such a very long time on this channel, and unfortunately I can't explain exactly why, but what I can tell is that I am so big. So please subscribe. Whenever you see this, subscribe right now because I am so big. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you guys see that I've already put my wig cap on, and this is the bulb that we are going to be installing today. And I got this wig from Shein. It is a 13x4 bob wig, 14-inch, and I've installed this wig before. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what are we gonna start with is this glue. It's a lace glue from Glamour. I hope you guys can see it. I got this glue from where? I got this glue from Take-A-Lot. Yeah, I got this glue from Take-A-Lot, and because I also like the Glamour spray glue, but the spray one doesn't last for too long, so that's why I got this one, and I really love this one. It really works. So we're gonna open, and you're going to see how I apply it. So this is how I apply my glue in front of. So guys, don't forget that when you apply the glue in front of your hairline, not on your hairline, because that's gonna give you problems. So if you get what I'm saying. So this is how I do it. I don't know why this doesn't want to come out, but yeah. Oh, here you go. So it depends on you on how many layers of glue you want to apply. So as for me, I am going to apply 3 layers of this glue because I want it to be stick. I want it to hold on for a very long time. So we are going to wait for this glue to dry, and when it starts to look transparent, we are going to apply another layer. Or if you don't want to wait, you can use a hairdryer or a small fan or anything that's gonna help you dry this glue. So as for me, I am going to use a hairdryer because why not? As you guys see that it starts to look transparent, not that much, but it does. And if you can see that it starts to be sticky, so we can now apply another layer of the glue. Lastly, we are going to apply the third layer. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god, this messes my dress. Oh my god. Just a little bit. Okay, now we are done with the glue, and again we are going to dry this with a hairdryer. So now we are going to test this glue, that if it's ready and ready for an install. You see, it's sticky, so means it's ready for an install. So let us take our Bob Wig and put it on this big head. I'm joking. Here's our Bob, very cute team. Here's our Bob Wig. So luckily this wig has an elastic band for it to stay tight on my head. See it? And clips just for in case I have hair, but for now I don't have hair for these clips. Then so we are going to use this band. It's going to be very helpful. So, hope you guys get the idea of what I'm saying. Yes, you do. I know you do. Wow. You see how pretty this is. So let me put it on my head. On my hand, on my heart, on my head. Where is the mirror box? The mirror box. So place it on the glue. 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 Oh my god. Oh. And again, you hear me? I say and again, we are taking the hair dryer just to dry this a little bit for it to stick and glue down to my scalp and the comb. You guys are going to see. Guys, where is the lace? Where is the lace? We are not done yet, but already lace is not there. Sheen, when I catch you, my babe. Look. Where is the lace? I'm sure I'm not the only one who doesn't see the lace. Like, where is it? By the way, I got this hair from 9 a.m. hair. It's a store from Shein. Yeah. And I can't say the lace. This is a good look. Yes, let's carry on. I know you're wondering why I'm not putting on the hairband, but I'm gonna put it, but before I put a headband on, I just want to fix the side. Going to apply a small amount of glue here and on the other side, then we can put the headband on. Yeah, get what I'm saying? Yes, you do get what I'm saying. And then the hair band. And guys, it's up to you. It's really up to you on how long you want to put the hairband on your head. Just make sure that you make it super tight. Tight. It doesn't matter whether kuba buhlungu ikhanda or angithi you want this lace to melt down, so kumele impela ikhanda libe buhlungu. Yeah, and ukwena ukuthi uhlala isikhathi esingakanani. Mina, I usually stay for too long while I am busy fixing my hair on the other side. So while we have this hand on, now it's time for the hot comb. Oh my god, it's ridiculous. I'm just gonna wait for it to be hot because now I just turned it on and it's not hot yet. As you guys can see, I'm touching it. As you guys can see that I'm touching it, means it's not hot yet. So, kodwa ukuthi ngibe ngibrush. Hope you guys can see that it is starting to lay down. Yes, it is. My hair, talking about my hair, hope you can see that it is starting to lay down. Ongaboni angazi ukuthi ubona because it is starting to lay down. You all see it. But I guess qhubekeni sisalinde i-headband, because remember I told you that I leave it on my head for too long. It doesn't matter. I don't count the minutes and hours. As long as ilace melted. Guys, look. I don't know if you see my hot comb. It's really hot now. It's starting to iyashunqa. I don't know what that's called in English, but iyashunqa. You guys can see. And now, I don't burn, because if I burn, oh, that's the end of me. Oh, so now we're about to remove this headband. So guys, I think this is the final look of the installation, and I think that I killed it. I nailed it. Honestly, like I did it. Like I did that. Like where is the lace? I'm still asking the same question. Where is the lace? Like I think I ate, and I think I ate this installation. Like I ate it. Oh my god! Like I ate this installation. You cannot tell me otherwise. I did it. Like just look. Just really like look. Like I did it. I'm enjoying a because like